In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access, Safety and Emergency. Then choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add and select all your contacts that you wish to add. After adding each one, you need to tap on OK or Cancel in the Notify Contact pop-up. If you wish to edit your emergency contacts, click on this icon at the top right corner and either move them to change order or remove any of them by tapping on this X next to the chosen one and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!